In the silent reaches of the cosmos, galaxies are not just drifting, they are hunting. This phenomenon is known as galactic cannibalism. When a massive galaxy comes close to a smaller one, its immense gravitational pull begins to tear the smaller neighbor apart, slowly absorbing its stars, gas, and dark matter. Our own Milky Way is a cannibal. It is currently consuming smaller satellite galaxies like the Sagittarius Dwarf. In fact, the streams of stars we see in our galaxy are the remains of past meals. But a much larger event is coming. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy will collide in a massive cosmic crash. They will eventually merge to form a single, giant elliptical galaxy. At the Muslim Space Agency, we look at this as a sign of the constant evolution and structural changes within the Creator's vast design. Nothing in the universe is static. Everything is in a state of magnificent transformation. Join us as we witness the slow-motion collision of the giants. Follow Muslim Space Agency for more interesting videos. In the